Fan on. అమ్మా అమ్మా జనరేటర్ స్విచ్ ఆపి నార్మల్ స్విచ్ చేయి. జనరేటర్ స్విచ్ ఆపి నార్మల్ స్విచ్ చేయి. అది కూడా ఆపే. దేవుడు లైట్ అమ్మా. ఒక స్టాండ్ పట్టుకొస్తావా మా? ఒక స్టాండ్. ఆ స్టార్ట్ అవ్వక ముందే స్టాండ్ అడుగుతున్నా.
Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta.
Evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Please turn on the video.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Trilokya. Everyone, please turn on the videos. Okay, so you all celebrated Diwali?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yesterday only you all celebrated? Some are doing today also, no?
Ma'am, yesterday only we celebrated, ma'am.
Yesterday you celebrated. Okay, great. How was it? Good?
Very nice, ma'am.
Great. Okay, so we were doing ratio and proportions, right? For this Sunday also, I have given you ratio and proportion chapter. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. So shall we start? Let's move to the screen. Okay, we were doing this exercise, the third exercise. After proportions, we had started with unitary method. Okay, and we had done 4 sums in this. We completed 4 sums, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so let's see the 5th question. Okay, I'll start with Trilokya. Trilokya, you read the 5th question.
Okay, ma'am. The temperature dropped 15 degrees Celsius in the last 30 days. If the rate of temperature drop remains the same, how many degrees will the temperature drop in the next 10 days?
So it's saying in last 30 days, the temperature dropped 15 degrees. Okay. So you have to find the temperature drop in the next 10 days. What will you do? What will be your first statement? I'm asking Trilokya, 1 second. What will be your first statement, Trilokya? Your first statement will be temperature drop in 30 days. Okay. So temperature drop in 30 days is 15 degrees. Yes. Okay. If the rate of temperature drop remains the same, there is no change in the temperature drop, it remains the same, then how many degrees will the temperature drop in next 10 days? So what we were doing for unitary method, we were finding for 1 day. Okay, we were finding for 1 unit, no? So for 30 days, it's already given. So we will find the temperature drop in 1 day. How much the temperature drops in 1 day? That will be 15 by 30. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, student.
Mm.
So it becomes 1 by 2 degrees. Okay. Now for 10 days, what we will do? What we will do to find the temperature drop in 10 days?
Ma'am, you will multiply 1 by 2 into 10.
Yes, we will multiply this with 10. So we get 5 degrees. Okay, that means in the next 10 days, the temperature drop will be 5 degrees. Okay. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children, everybody understood this? Bhavesh, Harshit, Adya,
Yes, ma'am.
Harshit,
Yes, ma'am.
Harshit, you had already done, no? You were saying,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, good. Adya is here. Hello, Adya is here. Adya, I think she had joined. Adya, can you hear me? Okay. Let's move to the next question. If you have not understood, then please let me know. I'll explain you again. Now let's see question number 6. Okay, Bhavesh. Bhavesh, you read question number 6.
Okay, ma'am. Shaina pays rupees 15,000 as rent for 3 months. How much does she pay for a whole year if the rent per month remains the same?
How much will she pay for the whole year?
The
divide.
What will you do first? What will be your first statement?
Ma'am, Sheena pays rent for 3 months equals rupees 15,000.
Okay, so 3 months rent is 15,000. Okay. Then what? Yes, say then.
And then we divide.
You will find for 1 day, no? 1 month.
Yes, ma'am.
We are
Yes,
doing
ma'am.
unitary method. So everything you have to find for 1 unit. So if it is
Yes, ma'am.
months, so you will find for 1 month. If it is day, you will find for 1 day. So it's 3 is in months. These are months. So you will find for 1 month. For 1 month, what is the rent for 1 month? That is 15,000.
1 second.
What happened?
I'm doing.
Do 15,000 divided by 3. What do you get?
Ma'am, I can't get the answer for the 8th one, ma'am. I can't understand it.
Which one?
8th one.
8th one. We'll come to 8th question now. We are doing the 6th one. We'll come to 8th also.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, how much is the
Ma'am,
rent for 1 month?
5,000. Ma'am, 5,000.
5,000. Okay, then how much will be the rent for 12 months? For 1 year, they are saying, no?
12 into 5,000.
So 12 into 5,000. So how much will be that?
Ma'am,
Yes, Bhavesh, how much is that?
Ma'am, 60,000.
60,000. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so next one is Harshit. Harshit, you tell me this. 7th question. Cost of food in Bangalore. Yes, read the question.
Cost of 4 bananas is 180 rupees. So the cost of the cost of 1 dozen banana is 40 45 rupees. So 45 twos is 90. So we can purchase 2 dozens of bananas in rupees 90 rupees.
Okay. So tell me your first statement. What should I write first? Cost of
The,
4 dozen bananas. So 4
the
dozen is how many bananas?
180 rupees.
So we have to find how many bananas can we purchase for 90 rupees. So
Yes,
that
ma'am.
means in rupees 180, we could purchase 4 into 12. So many bananas, no? 4 into 12 bananas because it's 4 dozen, no? So that
Yes.
means in 180 rupees, we could purchase 48 bananas. So that means you have to find for 90 rupees. And how much? So in 1 rupee, how many bananas will you get? 48 by 180. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So for rupees 90, how many bananas will you get? 48 by 180 into 90.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So when you cancel this, 1010 gets cancelled. 9 ones are 9 twos are 18. 2 twos are 4. 2 fours are 8. So we get 24.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is
I
what we
got the same answer.
so that means in rupees 90, you can get 24 bananas.
Ma'am, but I did it in different method.
Okay. This is the
Yes.
same method for which we are doing all these sums. If you are asked to find in how many rupees, you will be able to You get how many bananas. So keep the amount this side. Okay. Okay, children, understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any child has a doubt here? Anyone has a doubt here? Say yes or no, Adya, Bhavesh.
No, ma'am.
No.
Harshit, you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now Adya. Adya is not responding. Adya, if you can hear, then read question number 8. Okay, children, see the. Okay, let's do Trilokya, you read 8, question number 8.
Okay, ma'am. The weight of 72 books is 9 kgs. What is the weight of 40 such books?
Okay, so the weight of 40 books, 72 books, sorry. So weight of 72 books is given as 9 kgs. So we are asked to find the weight. Okay. So that means one book weight of, these are books, 72 books weigh 9 kgs. So one book weight of one book is how much? 9 by 72 kgs. Yes, Harshit, you were asking this question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then what is the weight of 40 such books? So for 40 books, the weight will be how much? 9 by 72 into 40. Yes, Harshit. So 9
Yes,
8
ma'am.
is 72. So this is 9 1s are 9 8s are. And 8 5s are is 40. So that means we have got 5 kgs. So weight of 40 books will be 5 kgs. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood now, everyone, children?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Next, Bhavesh, read question number 9.
Okay, ma'am. A truck requires 108 liters of diesel for covering a distance of 594 kilometers. How much diesel will be required by the truck to cover a distance of 1,650 kilometers?
So what will be your first statement?
The, the truck requires liters of diesel to cover uh, 594
Just tell me your
kilometers.
first, just tell me the first statement. Tell me the first statement, just one statement at a time.
The truck requires liter of diesel equals 108.
Okay, in 100 liters, the truck is moving distance 594 kilometers. Yes, this is what you are saying.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in 108 liters. Okay, then what should I do now? What should I do now? Fast.
Ma'am, divide. Ma'am will divide
By
both.
what? What will I get by dividing?
Ma'am, 108 by 594.
No, beta, I have to find the diesel. How much diesel is required? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now see, in 108 liters, the truck runs 594 kilometers. That means in 1 liter, the truck will run 594 divided by 108 kilometers.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, how much diesel will be required by the truck? Okay, so let's do it. How much diesel will be required? Okay, so let's do it this way. We'll take other way around. Okay. In 594 kilometers, the truck is moving 594 kilometers in 108 liters. So in 1 kilometer, how much will it move? 108 by 594. Yes, this is
Yes,
what
ma'am.
you say. This much liters. And how many kilometers? 1,650 kilometers. The
Yes,
truck will
ma'am.
108 by 594 into 1600. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Whatever you have to find out, no, just keep the other thing this side. Okay. Then it becomes easy. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So just work this out. So when you divide this, what will you get? 108 by 594 into 1000. So that is 12. One second. This will be, please do this, divide this 108 by 594. Both are even numbers, so just see which number will divide both of them. Let's do with small numbers. 2 5s are 2 4s are 54. 2 2s are 4. 2 9s are 18. 2 7s are. Now this can this is 54. Can go with 7. And 9. 9 these are 27. 9 9 threes are will be 27. 9 threes are will be 27. 9 6 is 54. Okay. So this is 3 2s are 6 and 3 11. So 2 by 11 into 1000. Okay. Then you have so 2 by 11 into this is 1650. This is not 1000, no? This is 1650. Okay,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
multiply this by 1650. So just divide this by 11. What do you get? 2 into 11 ones will be 11 fives is 55 and 0 150. So that is 300 liters. Okay. So for 1650 kilometers, the truck needs 300 liters of diesel. Okay. Yes, children.
Yes, ma'am.
It's just a calculation since the numbers are 3-digit numbers. So just do with small numbers. Okay. Understood, everyone? Yes, Bhavesh, Harshit, Adya.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Adya's mic is not working. I think so. Yes, Adya. Neither Adya is writing anything in the chat box. Okay, she has written something. Let me check. Okay. I do not understand. Which one you did not understand? Which question you did not understand, Adya? Tell me the question number. Okay. Now next is Harshit. You read the next question.
Raju purchases 10 pens for 150 rupees and Manish buys 7 pens for 84 rupees. Can you say who got the pens cheaper?
So Raju purchased 10 pens for 150 rupees. Manish buys 7 pens for rupees 84. Okay. Who got the pens cheaper? Okay. So Harshit, tell me what we will do here.
Ma'am, first we'll find the cost for 1 pen they buy.
We will find the cost of 1 pen for Raju also, whatever Raju purchased. And whatever money is purchased, for that also we will find cost of 1 pen. Okay?
Then who
Huh.
got the pens lesser, they would get
Huh.
the pens cheaper. Who
Huh.
get
So whoever spent is of less amount, that person got the pens cheap. Okay?
this one?
Good. So please find children. Please do this. Do it yourself now. Everyone must do yourself. Okay, Adya, you were saying you didn't get question number 9. Yes, Adya? Okay, Adya, by the time I'll explain the question to Adya. Adya, see the truck, it's saying that truck requires 108 liters to run 594 kilometers. Okay, in 108 liters, it runs 594 kilometers. So, in 1 liter, how much will the truck run? 108 will come down here. It will divide 594 by 108 kilometers. Yes? Okay. No. We have cancelled this. We are asked to find the diesel. No? So take it like this. Okay. It will be 108 by 594, not this. See here. 594 kilometers. The truck will run in 108 liters. The same thing we are writing, whatever we wrote here. In 1 kilometer, how much will the truck run? 108 by 594 kilometers. Okay. And to find in how much diesel will the truck run? 1,650 kilometers. So in that case, what do we do? 108 by 594 multiplied by 1,650. Okay. So then we cancel whatever we could cancel to bring it to the lowest form. And finally, we got that 1,650 kilometers will be run in 300 liters of diesel. Okay, Abhya? If you have understood, you can write in the chat box. Okay, it's just that whatever things we find, we just write it this side, just to make the things convenient for us. Okay? Otherwise, if we write 108 meters like this, then also it works. Okay, tell me who got the pens cheaper, Harshit?
Manish got
Manish got, what is the cost of 1 pen for Manish?
12 rupees, ma'am.
12 rupees, okay. And how much is the cost of 1 pen for Raju?
Ma'am, 15 rupees.
15. Okay. Okay. So that means Manish got pen cheaper. Okay. For rupees 12. Everyone got the same? Trilokya, Babesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And chalo, let's move to the next question. Trilokya, read the next question.
Okay, ma'am. Anish made 42 runs in 6 overs and Anup made 63 runs in 7 overs. Who made more runs per over?
Okay. Who made more runs per over? Okay. So in this case, what will you do? Tell me, Trilokya, tell me.
First you'll find how many runs did each of them did per over. Then whoever did more runs will be the one who made more runs.
Okay, so can we write here? Anish made in 6 overs, Anish made 42 runs. Yes. So in 6 overs, Anish made 42 runs. You can write in a proper statement. I'm writing like this. In 6 overs, these are overs, these are runs. In 6 overs, Anish made 42 runs. So that means in 1 over, how many runs he made? 42 by 6. Yes, Trilokya. Okay. Okay, do. Then for Anoop now, Anoop made 63 runs in 7 overs. So please find out for Anoop also. Harshit, Bhavesh, please do.
Okay, ma'am.
It's not that if I'm taking one person's name.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Adya.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, now I can hear you.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, Adya, I can hear you.
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am.
Okay, tell me what is that?
Ma'am, Anup made more runs per over.
How many he made? In 1 over, how many he made?
Ma'am, 9 runs, ma'am.
In 1 over, he made 9 runs. Okay, and Anish made 7 runs. So that means Anup made more runs per over, no? So the answer is Anup made more runs.
Ma'am, Anup.
Okay. Okay. Okay, everyone understood this, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So this was your book exercise questions. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
We'll do more sums, don't worry. Okay. And I hope you all have understood what is unitary method.
Yes.
How do we use it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What are proportions? When two ratios are equal, we see that they are in proportion. Right? Okay. And suppose if we had to find the missing term in that, if we are given two ratios, we have to find the missing term. So we always apply product of means is equal to product of extremes. Okay. This also we studied. And then about ratios, what we studied, how to find the ratios. Yes. Bringing ratio to the lowest form. Right? Okay, let's take up a question now. Okay, let's take a question. I'm writing here. Okay, please note down if the cost of 9 pence is rupees 108, then what will be the cost of 20 pence? Please do. Then what will be the cost of 20 pence? Okay, let me see who gives me a quick answer.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes, say.
240, ma'am.
240.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
we will check with others also. Yes, children, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Same answer.
Same answer. So this is rupees 240. Okay, so 9 pence are costing you 108. So that means 1 pen will be 108 by 9. 20 pens will be, when you multiply by 20, you get 240. Okay. Okay, this is 20. Okay, this is 12. So you got 240. Okay, let's take the next question. If the cost of 1 dozen bananas, please write down if the cost of 1 dozen bananas is rupees 48, how many bananas can be purchased can be purchased for rupees 36. Okay. If the cost of 1 dozen bananas is 48 rupees, then how many bananas can be purchased in 36 rupees?
Mom, I got the answer.
Okay. Let's wait. We'll wait for others also to answer. You can otherwise give your answer. What is your answer?
Mom, I got is 144.
144. That means 144 bananas. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's check with others also. Yes, hurry up, children. Harshit? Hello? Yes, Harshit, how did you get this 144? See, if it is less amount, rupees 30, how can you get 144 bananas?
Mom, I got 9 bananas.
See, in 48 rupees, you could buy 12 bananas. No? So 38 is a lesser amount than 48.
No, ma'am, no, no. The answer is
38 is a lesser amount. No? How did you get 140?
9 bananas.
What happened?
9 bananas.
9 bananas. Okay, you told me 144. No?
Mom, I accidentally multiplied instead of dividing them.
Okay, okay.
I also got 9 bananas.
9. Okay.
Mom,
So in 48 rupees, you get 12 bananas, right? So that means in 1 rupee, you are getting 12 by 48. So in 36 rupees, you are getting 12 by 48 into 36. Okay, now you just have to calculate. 12 visa you can cancel. 12 fours are 4 visa. So 3 into 3 will be 9. So that means 9 bananas you can purchase. Okay, good. Good children. Okay, let's take one last question. Okay, please take down this. One second. A man earns, take down the question. A man earns rupees 4,500 in 18 days. How much will he earn in 30 days? Okay. How much will he earn in 30 days? In 18 days, he could earn 4,500. Okay.
Ma'am, I didn't understand second question, ma'am.
Second question you did remember. This one.
Yes, ma'am, that one.
See, it's written the cost of 1 dozen bananas is rupees 48. So in 48 rupees, we could purchase 12 bananas. No? 1 dozen means 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1 dozen is 12. So in 48 rupees, we can purchase 12 bananas. And in 1 rupee, how many bananas we can purchase? 1 rupee. This is rupees. In 1 rupee, how many we can purchase? 48 goes down here, it gets divided. So 12 by 48 bananas can be purchased.
Yes, ma'am.
Now to purchase 36 bananas, what we will do? We will multiply 36. So 36 bananas will be 12 by 48 into 36. And when we cancel it, we get 9. Okay? Okay?
Ma'am.
Can't hear you now, Adya. Can't hear you.
Ma'am, I understood now.
Okay. Now see this next question. A man earns rupees 4,500 in 18 days. How much will he earn in 30 days? Bhavesh?
Ma'am, I
tell-
got the answer, ma'am.
Ma'am, I
Very-
also got the answer.
Yes, tell me, Bhavesh.
Ma'am, he will earn rupees 9,000.
Okay, tell me what will you write first because I have to explain the question to everyone. No? Tell me what will you write first.
Ma'am, the first statement, the man earns rupees amount in 18 days equals 4,500.
Okay, yes.
And then we will multiply 4,500 into 36 by 18.
We will multiply by
18, ma'am.
okay, it's written how much will he earn. Okay, right. So let's take this amount here only. Okay. So that means he's earning this much amount in 18 days. Okay, it's better to do like this. So in that means if he's earning this much amount in 18 days, so how much? One second. How much will he earn in 30 days? Okay, so for one day he's earning 4,500 by 18. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So for 30 days, he'll earn how much? 4,500 by 18 into
Ma'am,
30.
I got a different answer, ma'am.
Ma'am, you said 36, not 30.
Ma'am, I got a 7,500, ma'am.
Okay. Never mind, we'll check. Okay. 18 days he's earning 18 days he's earning 4,500. In one day he will earn this much. Okay. For 4,500 by 18. For 30 days he will earn multiplied by 30. Just check out what do you get.
Okay.
6 3s will give
Ma'am, 7,500, ma'am.
7,500. Okay, we'll check.
Yes.
So 45, this will be 1. This is 5. Okay. 75. 15, okay. Yes. Yes, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is just make it rupees. Right? I hope you all understood this.
Yes, ma'am.
So whatever all questions are for the unitary method, just find it for one unit and then multiply it for the multiple units. Okay. Okay, children. Thanks for joining.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, have a nice day.
Bye. Thank you, Beta. You too.